Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore how to create and manage pages for your website. Pages are crucial for static content like About Us, Contact, or Services, giving your site a professional and organized structure. To create a page, head to Pages and click Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Add a title that matches the page's purpose, like Our Team or Contact Us. Use the editor to insert text, images, or other elements that best fit your content. If your site has a lot of pages, you can organize them by assigning parent pages. For example, place Our Team under About Us for a clear hierarchy. When your page is ready, click Publish to make it live. To manage your pages, go to Pages and click All Pages. From here you can edit, delete, or reorder them to keep everything updated and well organized. In the next tutorial, we'll introduce you to the Gutenberg editor, a powerful tool for designing and editing content with ease. Stay tuned.